Did you know there's a Jewish Spanish language that sounds like this? Caminos de leche y miel, déjalos celos casar. Espero que vengas a mí, nadie me debe nada. Hi, I'm Nani and on February 7th, I'm coming all the way from Amsterdam to Seattle to play a Ladino concert. It's a Jewish Spanish language that is going extinct, and I learned it from my grandmother. And I'm going to share some Ladino songs that are traditional. We're going to have a whole meal of Sephgardic cooking. There will be a little lecture from a scholar about what Ladino is, and I'm also going to play some Ladino songs that I wrote myself, like this one, Una Segunda Piel, that means a second skin, and it's about retirement. And if you'll sing along in a concert, I know you'll watch this video. Do 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 do. See you in the Rabbit Box Theater on February 7th.